fresh off the heels of the biggest victory, and I mean the biggest victory of my career. Here in Chowchilla, here at Vendetta Pro Wrestling, you're looking at your new Vendetta Pro Tri-Force Champion. I didn't win this title easy, not by a long shot. Little Cholo, you gave me your best. Hell, you gave me everything you had. Mariachi Loco, you gave me everything he had. But tonight I proved that I was the better man. And on June 14th in Simi Valley, Vendetta Pro does it again. Little Cholo, Chris Hero, the Dragon, triple threat, Tri-Force title. It's gonna happen, baby. And you better believe that the ending will be just like tonight. The Dragon will walk out on fire. The Dragon will walk out in a blaze of glory. Still, the Tri-Force Champion, baby. Believe it, love it, learn it. Yeah, baby.